There are fears tonight that the Zika virus, which is believed to cause deformities in newborn babies, could be mutating. In an exclusive interview with Sky News, the head of the WHO's new emergency Zika committee, David Heyman, said there could be mutations in the virus that explain its rapid spread. Well, joining us now, Sky's health correspondent Thomas Moore. And we keep forgetting it's such early days in terms of encountering and understanding this virus that they have to be extremely cautious and open to all kind of possibilities.
They know so little about this virus. It's been around since 1947 in Africa and causing only sporadic cases over the intervening decades, and now is explosively moving around South and Central America for reasons they don't know. And that's why they're looking at the possibility that there are mutations there that have allowed the virus to adapt to living inside human cells. But also, there is a warning there from Professor David Heyman, this new chief of the committee, the emergency committee the WHO has set up, that because it can spread so easily now with global air travel, that it could be back here in Europe living in native mosquitoes. And he told me that perhaps we need to take extra precautions to stop infected stowaways on aircraft.
Well, certainly airlines are considering whether or not they need to do more spraying to prevent mosquitoes from hitching a ride on an airplane from one country to another. At the same time, vector control activities decreasing breeding sites for the mosquitoes in other countries will certainly protect Europe, and also decreasing those breeding sites in Europe is important. So there are many ways that the virus spread can be slowed down by addressing the vector that transmits it to humans.
And also, Thomas, I understand that because this is such a brand new thing, we need to take a step back and look again at all the assumptions we've made so far.
That's right. There is this peculiar aspect of this infection, that you're getting a sharp rise in these cases of babies being born with abnormally small heads and brain abnormalities. Yet in Colombia, which has the second highest number of Zika cases, they've had none of these abnormalities whatsoever. So what the professor is saying is that we need to step back, look very hard at really, is this virus the cause of these abnormalities?
Malformations in fetuses are caused by many different things, including chemicals, including toxins, including a whole series of things. So it would be wrong to just say that because it's associated temporally with an outbreak of Zika virus that it's the cause. And that's the dilemma. Well, suppose there were a food product or some type of a product which contained a toxin which was causing this, or a medication which was contaminated with something which caused fetal abnormalities. There are a whole series of other issues that must be ruled out before one can say clearly that this is due to the Zika virus.
Thomas, thanks very much indeed. Thomas Moore there. Let's get some weather now.